Got block and heat. Huh. What am I doing? What am I doing? Uh-oh. Chevy. There's liquid on the ground. Got antifreeze. That's what I'm doing right there. See? Let's see. I am replacing the thermostat in my truck. Like I told you guys I probably will be doing. And got bolt. It's a pain in the butt. Oh yeah. It's somewhere under there. Oh, it'd be nice if this thing was freaking thread in. Alright, well I'm replacing the thermostat. To get at the thermostat I have to take off the stupid alternator and the bracket that's here at the front of my motor. There's a bracket that's right here. You take the bracket off with that bolt right there, you take that off, and the two bolts in the front of the motor, you take that off. There's the bracket. Then you got to take the alternator off. There's one bolt on the bottom, two bolts on the top right there. That's the bottom bolt, and those are the two top bolts right there. And that's where your thermostat is. And your thermostat is the whole housing, not just, you know. Not just your thermostat by itself. There we go. I gotta tell you, I had to go to Napa too to get a stupid belt for this thing, because I hate doing things 20,000 times, and I had to take the belt off so I could take the alternator, and I just didn't want to I just didn't want to put the old belt back on. It started to crack and stuff, so I got a new belt from Napa. Put it on. Let me put this camera down. Oh boy, okay. It's getting late, and Mr. Nepcover is still working on his motor on his Trailblazer. There we go. Oh boy. Alright, now I'm dropping stuff. Alright guys, well I'll talk to you a little bit later. I'm going to clean up and hopefully have this thing back together in a minute. Alright guys, see you later. Working on my motor. See ya. Got battery. Well, let's see. Yep, got the clamp back on. Bolted up. Somewhere there. Now, time for the alternator. I have an idea. What is my idea? I really should stop making these videos so I can get some work done. Got potato cannon. Tripod. Okay. Give this baby on. Yippee! Tripod. Now you guys can see how much of a pain in the butt this is. Cool. See it? Sorry about this. You just gotta have to mind that. Let's try and get this thing in here. Came out. There we go. Just gotta turn it in a way. Plugs. There we go. One plug. Dielectric grease. Ding. Cool. And the other major plug, the important one. Is on the bottom. Yeah. Right here. See if I can zoom in here. Yeah, boy. Yeah, you can see it right there. That plug right there. So then, got net. I tell you, replacing the thermostats of these things is a royal pain. It's a dirty job, but somebody has to do it. Just like cleaning out that potato cannon. Dirty job, but someone's got to do it. Tripod. I like that tripod. Now I can place it virtually anywhere. Right now it's currently on my hood. I'll show you guys all the horn. Where the heck did I put it? I'm gonna tell you, I'm definitely gonna have a couple beers after this one, man. You gotta make sure that connector is on the proper way, and make sure this thing on the back of this alternator, this nut for the power to charge the battery, make sure it's nice and tight. If it's not, you're gonna get a battery light that comes on. Oh gosh, again. That's not good. That little ding that you guys heard? Little ding is one of the clips that actually holds on the fuel line to the fuel rail. So definitely got to find that one. Okay. And there it is. Pretty cool, huh? Here. Here, move. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? Clean. Keep your hands clean. Whoa. Yeah. Screen kind of moves with your hands. It's pretty cool. Let's see if that clip went underneath. I hope it did. I hope it did. Nope. Oh boy. Alright guys, well I'll talk to you later. I have to find that clip. If I don't find that clip, then my fuel line might come off, and that's not good. So I'll talk to you later guys. See ya.